The best part about this is a club.
Whoa! This guy actually throws parties 5 stories underground that Nolan is probably not invited to.
So I don't normally show people this, like,
Whoa.
no one sees this.
But he actually took us to a secret part of the bunker, to the nuclear silo, where decades ago, a real nuclear missile was stored inside.
No. Jimmy, come in here.
Whoa! Wait, what is this?
Is that safe over there? No.
Wait, no, Carl, he said it's not. How bad would it be if we turned the lights off?
I mean, I actually don't know how we... Oh, dude, this is really scary.
I can't even see anything. What's crazy is we're just getting started. The bunkers later in this video are insane. They just keep getting bigger and more expensive. But if you were going to try to build a bunker yourself, it might look like the one in this backyard, where secretly hidden beneath our feet is a bunker worth $3 million. Follow me to this creepy shed. Oh. Going into a bunker someone built in their backyard. This is crazy. Whoa, this is awesome.
In terms of security, you've got like a meter of concrete above you. Other than a safe house, it is kind of a museum for my YouTube creations.
If you're wondering why this bunker is worth $3 million, it's because of this YouTuber's collection of insane and dangerous weapons.
That's a backpack flamethrower.
This guy's like a real-life Tony Stark. I mean, look at this wrist-mounted rocket launcher.
Fires knives and has a taser in it.
And a machine gun with a chainsaw. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Don't break into this bunker.
You did mention fire earlier. So,
Oh gosh, wait. Bro, we're in a bunker.
you come here.
Okay. Oh, you can... Oh! Oh my gosh! Ah! I don't know if I feel safe with this. Ah! Oh, this is terrifying. You're gonna burn your bunker down.
Do you want to go?
Yes. Oh my god. This is insane.
This guy is crazy.
This would be the worst bunker in the world to rob.
Well, it's not just this bunker. There is another room.
What do you mean? I think this guy really likes digging holes. He has like a literal underground tunneling system. Whoa! Wait, this one's bigger than the other bunker! And there's one invention in here that's so dangerous, we saved it for last. Just in case. I'm gonna go over here. But first, Colin showed me a cannon that turns anything into ammunition.
I mean, we've got bread rolls at the minute.
Here it comes.
Okay, just do it.
I'm about to do it.
Get it over with.
About to happen. Any second, he's gonna shoot it.
Stop, just go.
Ah! This is awesome.
The whole toilet roll.
The whole point of a bunker is to protect you. But I can't say I felt safe once Colin pulled this out.
This is my spinning belt of knives. Don't get too close.
Whoa. Oh my gosh. Especially after he started doing this. Have you ever had a knife fall off?
No.
All right, turn it off. You could do that without having a spinning belt of knives.
Yeah, but this is so much better. Now, Jimmy, check this out. This is a freezer weight. The opposite to a microwave. So we get some Feastables. We shove that in there. We've got this little thing.
Whoa. He couldn't wait to show us how it worked on some Feastables cups.
Done. Nothing is what it seems.
Wow. Oh my gosh, frozen Feastables.
That's cool, right?
Yeah, well, literally. But as safe as Colin feels, there's no chance it compares to this island paradise $5 million presidential bunker. Whoa!
Why does it smell like cat pee?
It may not look like much, but in 1961, it was more than enough for one of the United States' most well-known presidents, JFK.
Oh my gosh. What? You're telling me that JFK only had this?
But yeah, now it's kind of a dump.
These are the presidential bathrooms.
You're telling me 5 mil.
But more impressive, we've got a $1 billion bunker so secure that it's the only place you could survive a nuclear extinction.
This is not very big. I hope JFK never sees this video because he's going to be like pretty upset at all the other cool bunkers.
I have a feeling he won't. Now let's go from the bunker of the past to the bunker of the future. Welcome to the $30 million bunker. This is a 15-story bunker. It's basically an underground skyscraper, and it's built for 75 people to survive anything.
First of all, these are armor-plated steel doors.
The doors are 2 feet thick. How many RPGs would it take to blow through this door?
Probably 3.
And if that doesn't make you feel safe, there's a sniper nest on the roof, 24-hour security, and Larry's favorite,
Guns.
oh my gosh, you're ready for an invasion.
We aren't going to let people steal our food.
Can I hold one? This bunker also has its own indoor shooting range. This is insane. Maybe this is all overkill, but if the world really did end, who wouldn't want to live here? This bunker has a hospital, an exam room, a dentist office, a pharmacy, this is jail, and 15 luxurious apartments, which we've actually seen before.
Dude, I remember.
5 years ago, we filmed a video where we did 24 hours in this bunker. We look so different.
I was younger.
This apartment, 15 floors underground, is nicer than most people's not bunker apartments. Washer, dryer, this is awesome. And all the other amenities on the other 14 floors. Don't tell Chandler and them, because it might get jealous, but I think we buy one of these.
Yo, Jimmy.
Oh, what's up? Hey.
I saw that there's like another.
Yo, can you go check out over there?
There's another room for
Yeah, here, you guys check that.
I'll take this one, yeah. Jimmy, Jimmy, I'll take this room.
And if you're wondering what they eat down here,
This is our grocery store.
you really want this to feel like real life. This is crazy. Y'all got bacon in a can?
What kind of bunker would be if you didn't have bacon?
In a can? And if you don't want to try bacon in a can,
This is the entrance to the hydroponics.
this is one of the most important rooms in this bunker. Instead of dirt, hydroponics uses water to grow a variety of plants that would essentially produce infinite food for the residents. And finally, we made it to what could be the most protected pool in the entire world.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna be honest, this bunker is at least 20 times better than every bunker we visited so far.
It had a pool, infinite food, a gym, and even an entire rock wall.
I don't know how it's gonna get better than this, but somehow there are more expensive bunkers. Let's go check them out. And now the $50 million bunker, which is underneath this ordinary house in this ordinary neighborhood.
But if you look 30 feet underground, you'll find one of the most expensive and most bizarre bunkers on the planet.
Let's go explore it. Inside here is just a normal house, but there's a secret code to open up the elevator. Learn this because I'll get in trouble if it shows it.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
And the elevator opens up. All right, you guys ready? Now we're going 3 stories underground. If you turn around, you can literally see them. This is like all the stone and cement we're going down.
That's so cool.
This elevator takes forever. Okay, and oh my gosh.
Whoa. How did they fit all that in here?
This is crazy. This $50 million bunker is designed to look like you're not in a bunker.
Hey, feel this carpet.
Is this carpet or grass?
I don't know, but it feels great.
If you're forced to be trapped in a bunker for 100 years, this is probably the bunker you would choose because it doesn't feel like one. It looks like you're outside.
They got palm trees 3 stories underground.
They have a Christmas tree, even though Christmas was 5 months ago. I guess they just leave it up all year. Let's kick this bunker tour off by exploring the house that is in a bunker underneath.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
The guy who built this bunker is like 5 feet tall. Wait, Treek, walk under it.
I'm good.
No, that's not a flex.
You're sure?
Oh my God.
What is this place?
Whoa, this is huge. This is way bigger than I thought it would be.
This is so fancy.
It does not feel like you're in a bunker.
No, I feel like I'm in a normal house.
Obviously, this bunker was designed in a way where if you had to live down here for decades, you wouldn't miss the outside world because it feels like the outside world. Bro, it literally looks like you're outside with the trees in the window. Surely if you own a $50 million bunker, you wouldn't care if I took a Diet Coke. Wait, how old is this? Oh God,
Yo.
wait. This expired 2 years ago.
It tasted so bad.
Hey,
All of that somehow wasn't enough. There's a second one right on the other side.
if someone blew up a nuke out there and we were here,
We would be good.
So this is what we call the welcome wall. This is going into the compound now.
does that say Space Force?
It does. You have Space Force here.
These are the 4 commands that operate outside of this bunker.
And to ensure the complete safety for these elite world leaders, this bunker is also designed to survive something far less predictable than any enemy threat, Mother Nature. And it does so by literally floating.
They carved out a gap between the mountain and the bunker and then put the bunker on springs.
So the shockwave of a nuclear attack or even an earthquake is completely absorbed.
Welcome to the most secure bunker on the planet.
All right, we've gone through massive blast doors, walked for an eternity. I can't even tell you how far because it's classified. To get here, the most secure place on the planet. Let's see what's inside. And now we are at the what?
The battle deck.
Am I allowed to show all this?
Everything except for what's on the right.
That's definitely not a UFO, but to protect North America from an airborne or maritime attack, this is where the leaders of NORAD would be calling the shots.
This is where our general sits.
Oh, this felt like the general seat.
Can I sit in the general
Absolutely.
seat?
Go ahead.
Okay.
Just don't touch anything.
I touched the chairs.
That's it.
Okay. I'm the general now. Tariq, ready the system.
Yeah, sure.
Hey, did you actually touch something?
You're not supposed to touch it.
Don't touch anything.
Tariq, they've only told us like 30 times not to touch anything.
We gotta make sure for real.
It was.
Dude, he's gonna get arrested.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I am actually so sorry. Tariq might have literally just got us kicked out.
Don't touch it again.
Okay, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Drake, these buttons can launch missiles for all you know.
What's on the other side of those windows?
You wanna clap?
No way. Really? I just clap?
Yep.
Yo, stop it!
Eric showed us the secret command post at the heart of the bunker.
All right, where am I?
You're in the AJOC, Alternate Joint Operations Center.
And it's responsible for protecting the air and sea of the entire North American continent.
With an unknown aircraft, how many minutes until fighter jets are tailing them?
Less than 5 minutes. Then we're getting into some dangerous territory.
I can read between the
And
lines.
because they're monitoring every potential threat, you know I had to ask.
Any UFOs? Possibly? You can't answer? He's looking at the ground. Oh, never mind. Different subject.
Got it there.
So I finally got permission to film a hallway. Cool.
Take it all in.
Now I need you to put the lens cap back on.
Really? All right, I'll see you guys in the next room.
While the number of people that work here is classified, I can tell you it has everything needed to keep hundreds of people alive for years at a time, including a gym, an underground grocery store.
Wait. So many people work in this bunker that you opened a subway.
Correct.
I'm about to have the most secure meatball marinara I've ever had.
It also has its own fire station.
Yes, with fire trucks that drive on actual roads inside this mountain.
All right, hold on. Oh, let's not run with that.
No, run with that.
I got you.
They usually practice on dummies, but we brought one of our own.
They better save me.
He's unconscious. Slap him in the face. Get him out.
Ow. Sorry.
Lift me up. Sir, how would you say we did?
Probably a 4 out of 10.
That's because we didn't do no CPR. More.
Some bunkers hide in backyards, and with enough money, hide under entire neighborhoods. Others go above and beyond and are so luxurious that they have their own water park. but none compared to this. An underground city with its own power grid, endless hallways, highways, and multiple links. Whoa! This bunker one day could be what defense